Hello, we are discussing about the GATE solutions for 2005 paper ECE branch, and the topic we are discussing is electron devices. This is second 2-mark question appeared in GATE 2005. A silicon PN junction diode under reverse bias has depletion region of width 10 micrometers and the relative permittivity of silicon epsilon r is 11.7 and permittivity of free space epsilon naught is 8.85 into 10 power minus 12 farad per meter. Then the depletion capacitance of the diode per square meter is A 100 microfarads, B 10 microfarads, C 1 microfarad, D 20 microfarad. In the given question, silicon PN junction is under reverse bias and it has depletion region of 10 micrometers and epsilon r is given, epsilon naught is also given. We need to calculate depletion capacitance of the diode per square meter, that is depletion capacitance per area, that we need to calculate. The correct answer is B 10 microfarads. Given PN junction is under reverse bias with width of depletion region as 10 micrometers. And also epsilon r of silicon relative permittivity is 11.7 and free space permittivity is 8.85 into 10 power minus 12 farad per meter. These are the given things. So we need to calculate depletion capacitance per square meter. So CT by A, square meter is nothing but area. So transition capacitance or depletion capacitance per unit area we need to calculate. We know that one under reverse bias PN junction act as parallel plate capacitor. Under reverse bias PN junction act as parallel plate capacitor. This is what? Now this is P side and it is N side. P side is given with negative terminal and N side is given with positive terminal. So a single battery, whenever you are connecting, at that time if positive terminal is connected to N side, negative terminal is connected to P side, at that time the PN junction is under reverse bias. Under reverse bias depletion region increases. Only minority carriers can cross the junction. So by that time this is PN junction and this depletion region is going to be acting as dielectric material between two parallel plates, and P side is going with acting as one parallel plate, N side with electrons acting as second parallel plate. So this is two parallel plates in between dielectric material, which is nothing but depletion region, where there is no mobile charge carriers are present. Only positive ions on N side, negative ions on P side near the junction will be present. So it is acting as parallel plate capacitor under reverse bias. We can think like this: P side acting as plate A and N side is acting as plate B, conducting plates. In between there is a dielectric medium, that is nothing but depletion region. The width of depletion region is nothing but W, which was given as 10 micrometers. So we know the equation for parallel plate capacitor. CT is equal to epsilon A by D. D is nothing but distance between the plates. Here distance between the plates is nothing but depletion region width. The depletion region width is nothing but distance between the plates. So epsilon A by D is replaced with W. The W value is known. We need to calculate transition capacitance per unit area, that is per square meter square. So this A, if you are taking left side CT by A, it will become, that is nothing but epsilon by W, which is epsilon naught into epsilon r by W. Epsilon naught is given, epsilon r is also given, W is also given. So if you substitute the given values, these are the values. W is 10 micrometers, epsilon r of silicon is 11.7, epsilon naught is 8.85 into 10 power minus 12 farad per meter. If you are substituting, the final answer for the given question is 10 microfarad per meter square. In the question itself it is not given per meter square, so that we are going with 10 microfarad. The correct answer for this one is 10 microfarad. Thank you.